Hello, hello, and happy Tuesday. How is everybody? What are you up to? I just have a feeling that everybody's up to a whole lot of creativity and doing lots and lots of fun things, and that makes me very happy. So welcome to my second design team project for AngeldreamCraftsKim. And I have some sample fabric that I put together 3 of the cutest envelopes. We'll start with the smallest, which is this one here. I used, let's see, this measures about 4, is that right? 4.5? Boy, it is. It's bigger than I thought it was. 4.5 by 3 3/4 is what this sweet thing measures. The laces are, of course, from Kim's shop on Etsy, and I will have all the links to her Facebook, which you're more than welcome to join. Lots of inspiration in there. You would be able to see what's new in Kim's shop, her Instagram, and her the other design team members, as well as, of course, Kim's Etsy shop. So I had this really gorgeous double layer pink lace from this month, and you can see the back side, the underside is beautiful netting and just the palest pink, and then this really pretty baby pink that lays on top, and then one of my all-time favorite trims of Kim's to work with. I use this on everything. It's perfect. You can cut it so that you've got individual flowers, or you can use it by the yard. Then I added some seam binding, one of Kim's blingy flowers. These come in different colors, so you might want to check that out, but you've got bling in the center and then really cute miniature little petite pearls. So that really makes this up. This envelope has been created using Sampool. Pretty sure this is Sampool, and I'm pretty sure that this is Sampool. But together, look at how beautiful this is. This is just the cutest, and I don't know why I had the pin in there. It was in there for a reason, but we don't need it anymore. I did stitch all of this on the machine as well as this, so it just makes the cutest envelope to be put into a journal or just to be given as it is. So I'm hoping that you really like this project this month. Then we've got this one here, and I used the same gorgeous lace at the bottom, and as you can see, I use the same trim. It's just going in an opposite direction. And I had some of this dangle trim. I just love this. Kim's shop has a variety of dangle trim in it, from being fairly short. I think this is probably about 1.5 inches, maybe 2 inches, to some that is very long, around, I want to say, 10 inches. So what I did is I took some of the trims from Kim's shop that I had left over. This gorgeous trim here is a piece of this lace, and I made kind of a snippet out of it. This flower also is from Kim's lace, and I do believe this comes in a few colors as well. It's got bling, and it's got the petite pearls and a little pearl in the center. And then there's this gorgeousness that by the yard you don't even want to cut it, but when you do, look at the magic that you get. Isn't that beautiful? Who would not want to receive an envelope with something wonderful tucked in it? And just listen to the goodness. Isn't that, oh, it makes me happy. It's just so soft, so feminine, so beautiful. And as you can see up here, I also added some more of that lace. I think I was in Kim's shop and ordered more of that because I can't get enough. And I believe you would have to check, but I believe this also comes in a beige or an ecru color, and it might come in pink. I'm not positive. I'm going to have to double check that, but you can see this has all been stitched as well, and this is the back. So pretty, even from the back. Look at how pretty that trim is. Usually when you would use this trim, you would use it this way, but when you look at it like that for something different, I would have no problem using it like that. It's just soft and it's just beautiful. The color is gorgeous. So this is envelope 2. This one is a little bit of a blast from the past. This is the back, and again, look at how gorgeous this polka dot white netting ruffle is. This feels so good. All of these polka dots are three-dimensional, so you can feel them, and as is the scalloped edge down here. And then I also used it here. I don't want to reveal what's underneath because it's so beautiful. I'm going to take my time with that. This is a trim that I have ordered from Kim and ordered because it just goes with everything. You can cut this into a single flower, 2 flowers, as many as you want, or you can use it like I did here. Some blue crinkled seam binding, a new button, a vintage button, and this is a new button. This is a piece of trim that came off of a yardage from Kim's shop, as well as these tiles. Love these tiles. Be sure, if you like tiles, be sure to check out Kim's shop because she's got ovals, rounds, squares. She's got florals, fairies, Eiffel Towers, birds. It goes on and on. So many varieties. And then these 3 flowers are also from Kim's shop, the same type of flower that I used right there. But I clustered these. You can see in a cluster how gorgeous they look, and as a single, just beautiful. So, okay, let's flip it up. Look at that. And listen, isn't that so nice? Another one of my favorites here, and you can see where I took this trim and I cut a couple of these flowers off and used it just like that. And then this gorgeous lace right here. Look at that. This can be cut individually or as many pieces as you want. I happen to have layered it over top of this here and then over top of this ruffle. And just look at what a nice surprise. You don't expect it. So here's your envelope. You're like, ooh, that's so pretty. You lift it up and you're like, oh my gosh, it just got better. So this is it for me for the month of August, and I have had a lot of fun playing with the laces that I had picked out and that Kim had so generously sent me. And I hope you enjoyed this. I have a package coming for September, so you don't want to miss that. And please be sure to check out the other designers listed in the description box to see what they have been up to for lots and lots of inspiration, ideas, and yummy greatness. So thank you guys. I hope you all have a wonderful Tuesday, and I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye now.